안녕! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to make Korean Jujube tea, Daechucha. As the weather gets colder, we crave for hot tea. Hot tea helps me to be relaxed and makes body warm. And each tea has effectiveness like improving insomnia, getting rid of stress, and recovery from fatigue. Especially Korean Jujube tea is helpful for prevention of cold. What's more, I'm going to put Korean pear to add some sweet taste. Korean pear is good for bronchial too. So this is perfect Korean traditional tea when the weather changes. Okay, then let's set the table. First, I'm going to wash dried jujube. In a large bowl, cool the water and put baking soda. Keep jujube soaked in water for more than 10 minutes to wash easily later. After that, wash them gently 3 to 4 times in running water to make them clean. Next, wash and cut the Korean pear. Then preparation is over. In a pot, pour the water and put dried jujube and pear. Bring to a boil medium-high heat. When it boils, reduce the heat to low and simmer for an hour. After an hour, scoop the ingredients using strainer. My house is full of jujube smell. If you like clean tea, then I prefer you to drink now. Such a great! It smells so good and it's sweet. It's good enough, but if you want deeper flavor like me, then let's go to the next step. We are going to mash a fully cooked jujube. It's very soft, so it will be easy to mash. Just using a spoon and make jujube pulp to put into clean tea. And bring to a boil medium heat for 10 minutes. Put pine nuts and dried jujube as a garnish and serve it. Such a deep taste, so aromatic. How can I say? Oriental smell and flavor, and especially I like the sweet taste from jujube and pear. It's very nice. And look at this deep and dark color. Jujube extract makes this color. And it's sweet enough for me, but if you like sweet hot tea, then put some sugar or honey. Today I made Daechucha. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.